Oh, hello!
Today I go for a cycle, and I tell you now, this is hard work. Oh, change gears. Change the gears. Oh, shabah. I saw one deer and two squirrels in the woods. Oh, change the gear. Oh. See, this road is where I drive on. We've got tarmac. Tarmac on this road, no dust road. What's this? Drain pipe. Yeah. The wilderness, yes? So this is the wilderness. Oh, I am out of breath. I have not chased a lion for a long, long time. Oh, look, you see the sunset, yeah? Oh. Lots of the cars coming. Lots of these cars. Do you see them all? They all look at me funny. Why? I don't know why. Electricity. Oh, maybe. We look in this garden, this people's garden, they have ducks. I don't know, can we see? No. They have ducks and horses. You see the horses? Lots of horses. Oh. Tired, look at my leg. Ooh. Sorry for not talking. Bush. Sorry for not talking too much. But this is the hard work for this Zulu. I need to practice to catch the wildebeest and the zebra, because they are slow, and I am much slower. Oh, shabbat. I need a drink. I have no drink to drink. I'm going to go now. Goodbye. Look at what this sign she says. This sign says danger. Shooting in progress. This is crazy. I didn't think that they had guns in this land in England. You see the sign? Horrible. So you can only shoot in my land.
I believe in pool over my car. Pool.
Hello. I want to be cycler.
Also, I just
Drove past two boys, one with a skateboard and one with a BMX. And guess what they were arguing about? They were arguing about whose jeans were girls' jeans. And they were fighting, saying, no, mine are girl jeans. Mine are too. No, mine are real girl jeans. Mine are too. Mine are better girl jeans. Mine are proper skinny girl jeans. And I was like, what? Why do you wear girls' jeans, you boys? Heish, so crazy people in this country. Heish.